Hola clase. This week of Monday, October 12th through Friday, October 15th, you are going to be continuing um, studying the Spanish-speaking countries found in the different regions of the world. Um, Last week, you learned that there are 21 countries, Spanish-speaking countries from North America, Central America, South America, Europe, and even Africa. We are going to continue studying these 21 countries, and you are going, at the end of this unit, you will be able to identify the countries, in what regions there are, what is their capital, and you are going to work on a project where you're going to choose 3 countries from 3 different regions of the world. So let's go ahead and get started on some information that you will need in order to work on this unit. Okay, the question posed is, ¿qué país hispanohablante hay en América del Norte? What country is found in North America? Your answer is Mexico. Notice that Mexico is with an accent over the E. Okay. And ¿cuál es su capital? What is the capital of Mexico, which is located in América del Norte? La capital es México DF. DF stands for Distrito Federal. Now, I am not adding to this list United States, even though Spanish is spoken by a great number of its people. It's not considered a Spanish-speaking nation officially because the official language of United States is English. So we can't add it to this list of América del Norte. América Central, Central America. ¿Cuáles son los países hispanohablantes en Centroamérica? We have several in Central America. I'm from Central America. Your teacher is from Central America. And the countries are Guatemala, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Honduras, Nicaragua, and Panama. Now, each of these countries has a capital. So let's go ahead and look at that. But before we do, notice that there is, on this map, right below Mexico, next to Guatemala, we have a small country called Belize. Belize is found in Central America, but Belize speaks English. That is their official language. So it's not considered a Spanish-speaking nation, even though it's located in América Central. Now, ¿cuáles son sus capitales? Which are the capitals for each of these countries? Guatemala, it's Ciudad de Guatemala. Honduras, Tegucigalpa, that is its capital. So in green, you will see the capital of each of these countries. For El Salvador, we have San Salvador. For Nicaragua, we have Managua. For Costa Rica, we have San Jose. And for Panama, we have Ciudad de Panama. And I'm sorry, it's not showing, but let me go ahead and move there we go. Ciudad de Panama. Now, El Caribe, which I've also taught you that it's called Las Antillas, and for that, please see the notes from last week. ¿Cuáles son los países hispanohablantes del Caribe? Which are the Spanish-speaking countries of the Caribbean? We have Cuba, República Dominicana, Puerto Rico, and it is located in the Caribbean as this map is showing. Cuba being the largest of those Spanish-speaking countries, Puerto Rico being this orange one that's very small, and República Dominicana, which is this yellow one bordered with Haiti. El Caribe, also called Las Antillas. ¿Y cuáles son sus capitales? Cuba has its capital, Habana. Notice it's an H, silent H in Espanol, Habana. República Dominicana, its capital is Santo Domingo. And Puerto Rico has San Juan. Now let's look at América del Sur. ¿Cuáles son los países hispanohablantes de Sudamérica? South America, you could say America of the South, but we say South America, or you could say South America as one single word. So América del Sur and Sudamérica, it means the same thing, South America. Which are the countries, Spanish-speaking countries of South America? Let's go ahead and look at those. Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Argentina, Colombia, Peru. Notice there is an accent over the U, Peru. Paraguay, Uruguay, Chile. Now let's look at the capitals for these countries. Let me go ahead and see if I could move my, okay. ¿Y cuáles son sus capitales? Which are its capitals? Venezuela has its capital, Caracas, color-coded in green. Colombia has Bogotá, Bogotá, with an accent in la A. Peru has Lima. Ecuador has Quito. Bolivia has Sucre. Paraguay has Asunción with an accent over the O. Argentina has Buenos Aires. Chile, Santiago. And Uruguay's capital is Montevideo. Here's a map showing you where each of these countries are located in América del Sur. América del Sur is south of Central America, Centroamérica, and here you have the countries that are Spanish speaking. Notice on this map, we have this great green area, and this country is Brazil. Brazil is not a Spanish-speaking nation, but it is the largest nation located in América del Sur. Just remember, Brazil is not a Spanish-speaking country. Brazil is a Portuguese-speaking country, and it's the largest in South America. Now, we have to add 2 more countries to the list, but they are not located in the continent of America. There are 2 countries, one located in Europa, which is Europe, and the other is in Africa. Now, the question is, ¿qué país hispanohablante hay en Europa? What country, Spanish-speaking country, is there in Europe? Well, the country that is located in Europe is España. España, with that N, that funny looking N with the little squirrely line. España, España. And that is where the language of Spanish originated from. So it's very important to know the origin of Spanish. It is in the country, el país, España. Where is it located? In Europa. And what is its capital? Madrid. Now, there's one last Spanish-speaking nation, and you would never have imagined that it would be in the continent of Africa. ¿Qué país hispanohablante hay en África? In Africa, we will find the country of Equatorial Guinea. En español, it's called Guinea Ecuatorial. Yes, I know that is a mouthful, so let's try it. Guinea Ecuatorial. Guinea Ecuatorial. And that is a tiny African nation which has an official language of Español, Spanish. And their capital is Malabo. Malabo. And here is a map of Europa, which you could see up above. And España is the country in red. Now, down below, you see Africa. And look at the tiny little spot called Guinea Ecuatorial. And that's a tiny nation in red here where my cursor is. And it's called Guinea Ecuatorial. Okay, so guys, one thing that you're going to be working on is on a project where you are going to choose 3 countries from 3 different regions. I want you to choose a country from either Norte America or Centro America or Sud America or Europa or Africa. And you are going to work on a project where you are going to let me go ahead and present this next. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, so this is another PowerPoint that you could use for note-taking. You are to take apuntes, remember this word in your notes, los países hispanohablantes. In your notes, you are going to list the countries. You're going to identify the flags, which you started last week. And you're going to provide information from 3 different countries located in any of the regions of the world that I have already mentioned. Okay, this PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to provide it to you in Google Classroom, but instead of showing you all of it, I want to go over let's see. I want to go over